Have you ever held a beautiful pale blue crystal in your hand and wondered exactly what it was? Many of us have. We find these treasures in shops, at gem shows, or even out in nature. The problem is, some minerals look incredibly similar. They can trick even a careful eye. Today, we are going to look at two such minerals, Aragonite, Celestite. Knowing the difference is important. It helps you understand what you have. It tells you how to care for it. It also lets you appreciate the unique story each stone tells about our planet. So, let's stop guessing and start knowing. Imagine two stones resting side by side on a clean white surface. One is a delicate cluster of pale blue needles, branching like tiny frost. The other is blocky, glassy crystals, a chunk of frozen winter sky. At first glance, you might think they're related. Maybe the same. This is where the confusion begins. The first clues in our investigation are always visual. What you see can tell you a lot. Let's start with color. Aragonite comes in a variety of colors. It can be pale blue, white, tan, brown, even yellow. Think of the inside of a seashell. That pearly iridescence is often aragonite. Earthy tones, tan or brownish white, often point to aragonite. Celestite is famous for a delicate, ethereal sky blue. It can be white or colorless, but that signature blue stands out. Now, look at crystal habit. The shape. Aragonite loves long, thin needles, acicular crystals. Needles often radiate into starry Sputnik clusters. It can also form columns or silky fibrous masses. Pointy, spiky, branching like coral, likely aragonite. Celestite prefers stout, blocky, tabular crystals with flat faces. A blue mini-city of glassy prisms? Very likely celestite. After looking at the stones, it is time to use your sense of touch. Two simple tests: hardness and density. Hardness measures resistance to scratching. We use the Mohs scale from 1 to 10. Aragonite is slightly harder than celestite. Aragonite, Mohs about 3.5 to 4. Celestite, Mohs about 3 to 3.5. A copper coin around 3.5 lets us test quickly. Choose a small, hidden spot. Gently try to scratch the mineral. The penny is about 3.5 hardness. It should struggle on aragonite. It should mark celestite with less effort. Be gentle, identify, don't damage. Next, weight or density. Density is how much mass is packed into space. Celestite feels surprisingly heavy. It's strontium sulfate. Strontium is heavy. Aragonite, a calcium carbonate, is noticeably lighter. Two more tests reveal hidden chemistry. First, how they play with light. Luster is the way a surface reflects light. Both can look glassy, vitreous. Aragonite can show silky luster in fibrous forms. Needle clusters may appear silky, sometimes slightly waxy or resinous. Celestite shows crisp reflections on flat faces and a pearly sheen on cleavage surfaces. Tabular faces give sharp, clean flashes. Aragonite's fibers scatter light more softly. Now for the most definitive test, the acid test. Simple and safe when done correctly. Aragonite is a calcium carbonate, like calcite. Carbonates fizz with acid. Celestite, a sulfate, won't react to weak acids. A drop of common white vinegar is enough. Wear safety glasses and gloves. On aragonite, you'll see tiny bubbles, carbon dioxide. On celestite, nothing happens. Clear, yes or no. Finally, where they form and how they're used adds context. Aragonite is common, forming in caves, hot springs, and lining fossil shells. Found in Spain, Morocco, and the United States. It's delicate, mostly for collectors. Some unique pieces are carved. Celestite crystallizes in cavities, often in limestone and dolostone. Cavities can be lined with blue blocky crystals. Notable sources: Madagascar, Ohio, Mexico, Italy. Celestite is the main source of strontium, red fireworks. A simple checklist makes ID easy. Color: white, tan, or brown. Likely aragonite. Color: distinct sky blue, likely celestite. Shape: needles, fans, spiky. Aragonite. Shape: blocky, tabular, flat faces. Celestite. Hardness and weight: coin struggles and lighter. Aragonite. Scratches easy and heavier. Celestite. Acid test. Fizz means Aragonite. No reaction means Celestite. Let the investigation begin.